Today we're going to be reviewing the strategy to add by decomposing. Today we'll be using number bonds to decompose. Decomposing a number by breaking apart a whole number into two parts. So you remember the whole is the number that goes in the big circle, and then the parts get separated into the two smaller circles. Let's watch a quick video on how to decompose numbers in the teens.
Locating numbers with a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10.
So a good way to practice decomposing is using a cool Math for Kids website with online manipulatives. So here I'm going to click on this link, which I'll have available for you underneath our video today, and you get another cool math site that you can use. Here it says to start by choosing a 10 frame. So I would like to talk about decomposing numbers greater than 10. I think we can compose numbers 10, let's try 20, let's try 30. So I did it 3 times so that I could have 3 10 frames. And when you fill in your numbers, you can use these monsters at the top. So if I want to fill my 10 frame, I need 10 monsters. So I'm going to fill 10, 10 more is 20, 10 more would be 30. Now I'm going to drag down 5. So I'm at 35, 36, 37. Do you see how I'm lining them up to look like a 10 frame picture? So what I just did for you is I showed you that the number 37 would be the same as 10, 20, 30, plus, if you look, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 ones. So our number 37 would be decomposed into 30 and 7 more. Just like the last time we used this, you can hit this little start over button and we can clear our work and do another one. This time, let's try to decompose the number, I'm feeling like 46. If I wanted to decompose the number 46, how many 10s and how many 1s would that make? Well, I am going to drag down a 10 frame, and I'm going to count while I do it. 10, let's do another one, 20, and if you notice, it doesn't look like it moved, but if you slide it down, there's actually 2 there, okay? Let's keep going. I need another one. 30, move that down again. And let's grab another one. 40. I'm running out of room. We'll move it over here. Maybe that would look better. All right, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, we have to drag our monsters. We want to fill these 10 frames. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and just like a 10 frame, I'm going to put my next one on the bottom, 46. So let's go back up here, and how many groups of 10 were in the number 46? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I say 40 plus, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 46. So just like we can break apart teen numbers, we can break apart bigger numbers into tens and ones. You're going to use this today to do your math strategy of decomposing.
Okay, now we're going to try to use those strategies that we know to do some work together in our exit ticket. If you look at number 1, we are going to make an equation to match the picture that they have drawn. I believe they're using place value blocks for picture number 1. So if you remember, those tall, skinny stacks of blocks are in groups of 10. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30. Now I see some more over here that we need to count by ones. So I have 31, 32. So the first number in my equation is 32. Now they have stacked on some additional ones, but changed them to be gray so we knew that it was a new number. How many more are we adding on to 32? You're right, they have 3 more ones. Now to solve, we need to count on. So start with that number you know, 32, 33, 34, 35. So our sum would be 35, which is the same as 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones. You're doing awesome. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 has quick tens for a drawing. So instead of those blocks, they have put one skinny stick down, and that represents a group of 10, and the little dots are ones. Let's count. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the first number in my equation is 26. And then these X's are going to represent the new number that we're adding on. So count up those little X's, and how many more are we adding? You're right, there are 4 more. So they want us to solve 26 plus 4. Let's count on again. 6 and 4 more. I think that I know that those two are special because they're You're right, they're a friend of 10. Did you remember that 6 and 4 make 10? So you can draw your line down right through those because they're the same as a quick 10. So my answer would be 3 tens. And now I don't have any extra. There are 0 ones. So 26 plus 4 equals, you're right, 30. Now we're going to move on, and we're going to use our new strategy of decomposing. I have my number 33, and I need to break it apart into tens and ones. 33 is the same as 30 and 3 more. So I'm going to cross off 33 because I have decomposed him, and now I am going to circle my ones. So if I have 3 plus 6, I'm thinking in my head, I want to start with the big number, 6, and count on 3 more. So I say 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So I had 30, and now I'm adding 9 more, and that is the same as 39. Good job. That would be 3 tens and 9 ones. Let's try one more together. we are going to decompose again. This time our equation says 23 plus 7. If I was going to decompose 23, I can break him up into 20 and 3 more. Boys and girls, when you are decomposing, make sure you are spreading out your numbers to show tens and ones. You don't want to smush them together because that would look like 203 if we wrote it too close together. So make sure you know it's tens and ones and they're separate with a space. After you break it up, cross it off to remind yourself that is gone. You have already broke it apart. And then circle your ones. Again, I am going to think to myself, 7 plus 3. Now, some of my smarties might be saying, hey, I know something special about 7 plus 3. They are you're right, friend of 10. If you didn't know that, you could have put 7 in your head and added on 3 more, 7, 8, 9, 10. But some of you just know it, which is awesome. Now, if I had 20 and I added 10 more, you should also know this one right in your head. 20 and 10 more makes, you bet, 30. Now again, if you did not know how to do that in your head, you could have drawn 10, 20 with quick tens, and then added 10 more, and that would give you 10, 20, 30. So 30 is the same as 3 tens and 0 ones. I think you're ready to try some on your own. Go ahead and download the PDF and show your teacher how smart you are by solving the equations. Try to use that decomposing strategy that we learned today and take a picture to send to your teacher on Dojo. Can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.